Morning. Come along for the ride. Let's see what we can get done today. Well, I just got back from hauling this truck down. We've got another truck down being unloaded right now. Problem I'm having right now is the combine is getting low on fuel. I'm not out, but it's low. And well, our fuel trailer has got a flat tire. So I need to find out when that tire is going to get done so I can get the tire on the fuel trailer so I can get fuel out to the combine. Which is fine because we got a little time right now while we're waiting for dew to still burn off. But yeah, that's where we're at. I just called on to see if the tire's done. I dropped the tire off on Friday. He doesn't know if it's done yet or not. He needs to find out and call me back. Awesome. Just an update. So far, knock on wood, the only issues we've had so far this harvest is I had a chain break on the head that runs the auger. That wasn't a big deal. It was just a master link broke. We had a master link in the barn. I was able to get her up and going. Took about 30 minutes of our time. By the time we drove back to the farm, got the link, went back there, repaired it, it was like a half hour. Flat tire on the fuel trailer, which we knew that was flat when we were going into harvest. That's not a big deal. And I have a slow leak on a grain trailer, one of the semi trailers. We got to pump it up every morning. So as soon as it rains, we're going to take that trailer in and get the new tire put on it, or get that tire repaired, one of the two, because it gets annoying putting air in a tire every morning when you're trying to get up and going. But knock on wood, that's all that's happened so far. So it's been going pretty smoothly. We're not dealing with mud. Everything's dry. We're able to pull the semis in and out of the fields good. I'm sure all that's going to change before long, but right now everything's running smoothly. That's all we can ask for. We're back up and rolling again. The dew's burned off enough that we can get back to cut. I will, once I get to the end of this row and make my turn again, I'll kind of give you a cab tour of the combine here and kind of show you what does what. So the tire place just called me and they said that they had to order the tire. They don't know when it'll be in. Awesome. So I guess I'm gonna have to try and finish this field on a quarter tank of fuel so I can get this back to the farm to fill it up with fuel. Garbage. Okay, I've got a ways here to go so I can kind of give you a cab tour. I've got a cup holder here. I keep my Monster. I have a broom here that I sweep the thing off with. This is like a folding table right here, but it also goes up as a buddy seat, or I can flip it up and access my refrigerator. So that's that side of the combine. And then my lunchbox, flannel shirt, steering wheel, garbage can. This monitor here, this is my auto steer monitor. This controls the GPS on the combine itself so I don't have to steer. This keeps me going in a straight line. This here is fuel, DEF, temperature of the machine, kilowatts per hour, my speed. This is control. This area here is everything that's going on with the head of the machine itself. This here is, this monitor is the machine itself. It tells me, you know, my clearances for shafter and sieves and blower speed and what the moisture is of the beans, how many bushels per acre I've got in this area. This makes me go forwards, backwards, lowers the head. This turns the auger out. This turns the auger on. I've got my selectors here for RPMs, my gear shifting pattern, 4-wheel drive. This turns the machine on itself. This turns the header on. And then I've got controls for the radio, hazard lights, headlights, air conditioning. All this here controls that. And then I have my phone mount, camera mount, another camera mount. You guys right now are on what they call a gooseneck. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to see it. But it's just a big alligator clip, and I clip you guys right here so I can turn the camera wherever I want in the cab, so you guys can have the sheer enjoyment of watching me sweat while I'm working so hard. But yeah, that's a little bit of a cab tour, so you can kind of see the inner workings of the cab and know what's going on. So now I'm coming into my row, I need to turn around. The beeping you've been hearing, the bloop, that is me raising the head, and it's not recording. Sorry, the camera shut off. But it does that sound again when I drop it. And then the other beep is me, or the GPS telling me that it caught signal and I'm back on track and auto steer again. Unloads quick, gotta like that. I've been following quite a few guys that are out running combines and everything right now, and all of them say get one of those California dusters and use that to clean the windows and mirrors and stuff. It wipes the dust off real easy and quick, and I think I might check into one of those and try using one, because the dust on the windows and the mirrors drives me nuts. When the sunlight hits it just right, you can't see.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low.
Okay, so to add to the list of breakdowns, see that black chute there on the back end of the auger? Apparently when I was pulling out of the last field, I took the turn too sharp and that auger grazed a tree, we'll put it, and that black chute ended up kind of getting ripped off. So yeah, I had to take about 20 minutes and bolt it back on. It happens, but we're farming. Look at the dust that I'm leaving behind. Looks like fog, but it's actually dust coming out of the combine. And when there's no wind to carry it away, it just kind of lingers. That's how you know that dew's going to be a little on the early side. Alright guys, the sun is going down. See the horizon. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. Thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.